Students, next we are going to learn Cold War, rivalry between the US and the Soviet Union, Truman's policy of containment of communism. In the year 1948, the Soviets had established socialist governments in the countries of Eastern Europe that had been liberated from the Nazis by the Soviet army. Truman, the president of USA, pursued a policy of containment of communism. The Soviets were, however, determined not only to maintain control of Eastern Europe but also keen on spreading communism worldwide. Cold War. The rivalry that developed after Second World War between the US and the USSR and their respective allies created tension which is referred to as Cold War. They did not take recourse to weapons. Instead, they waged war on political, economic, and ideological fronts. Marshall Plan. The US conceived the Marshall Plan to bring the countries in Western Europe under its influence. The plan sought to help the countries of Europe with American dollars to facilitate their early recovery from the destruction caused by the Second World War. The United States was much concerned that poverty, unemployment, and dislocation caused by the post World War period were increasing the appeal of communist parties in Western Europe. The Secretary of State, George C. Marshall, advanced the idea of European self-help program to be financed by the Soviet states. 16 nations become part of this program. Administrative and technical assistance was offered through the Economic Cooperation Administration of the United States. Marshall Plan funding ended in the year 1951. Formation of military alliances. First one, NATO. Second, SEATO or Manila Pact in the year 1954. Third, Warsaw Pact. Fourth, CENTO or the Baghdad Pact. NATO. The United States and its European allies formed the North Atlantic Treaty Organization to resist Soviet aggression in Europe 1949. It was an interstate military alliance between the countries of North America and Europe. The major member countries included Canada, Belgium, Denmark, France, Iceland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, and the United Kingdom. Later, Greece, Turkey joined the organization. Germany joined the NATO in the year 1955. The chief objective of NATO was the peace and security in the North Atlantic region. SEATO or Manila Pact, 1954. The Southeast Asia Treaty Organization was organized for the collective security of countries in Southeast Asia. Following the sign of the Manila Pact in the year 1954 by the US, France, England, New Zealand, Australia, the Philippines, Thailand, and Pakistan. Warsaw Pact. As a counter to the NATO, Soviet Union organized the Soviet bloc countries for a united military action under the Warsaw Pact. In December 1954, a conference of 8 European nations, namely Albania, Bulgaria, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, East Germany, Poland, Romania, and Russia took place in Moscow. They concluded the treaty on May 14, 1955. This is known as the Warsaw Pact. CENTO or the Baghdad Pact. In 1955, Turkey, Iraq, Great Britain, Pakistan, and Iran signed a pact known as Baghdad Pact. In 1958, the United States joined the organization, and thereafter it came to be known as the Central Treaty Organization. CENTO was dissolved in the year 19 1979. Korean War. The Korean War made the Cold War really hot, since Korea was partitioned as North and South in the year 1945. Each side sought to win legitimacy by unifying the country. The president of North Korea, Kim Cho, People's Republic of Korea, decided to act before his southern rival, Syngman Rhee. The Republic of Korea got the chance. He launched an attack in June 1950 with the tacit support of Stalin. The war lasted for 3 years. The human cost was enormous, but the Korean people gained nothing. Third world countries. The capitalist countries led by the US were politically designated as a first world, while the communist states led by the Soviet Union came to be known as the second world. States outside these two were called the third world. Non-alignment movement. The non-alignment movement (NAM) emerged in the wake of decolonization that followed World War II at the Bandung, a city in Indonesia conference 1955. The newly independent countries of Asia and Africa gave a call to join with any of the two superpowers. To join the NAM held its first conference at Belgrade in the year 1961 under the leadership of Nasser, that is Yugoslavia, Egypt, Nasser, Nehru, India, Krumo, Ghana, and Sukarno, Indonesia. The basic principles of non-alignment as peaceful coexistence, no military alliance with any superpowers. The Cuban Revolution. The United States had its satellite states in Central America, Honduras, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Panama, and Guatemala, the Caribbean, Cuba, the Dominican Republic, and Haiti, and East Asia, the Philippines, South Korea, South Vietnam, Thailand. These states were governed by ruling groups made up of military personnel, landed gentry, and occasionally of local capitalists. Cuban Missile Crisis. In April 1961, while launching an army of Cuban exiles on the island of Bay of Pigs, the US bombed Cuban airfield with the objective of overthrowing Castro regime. US warships surrounded Cuba. The Kennedy government had received intelligence that the USSR was secretly installing nuclear missiles in Cuba. Finally, the Soviet President Khrushchev agreed to withdraw the missiles, and thus missile crisis was diffused. Arab-Israel War. The Treaty of Versailles in the year 1919 had provided for mandates in Turkish Arab Empire. France was given the mandate for Syria and Lebanon, and Britain for Iraq, Palestine, and Jordan. Britain's promise to Zionist leader that it would allocate one of the Arab lands, Palestine, to Jewish settlers from Europe further embittered the Arabs. There was growing Arab antagonism towards Zionist settlers, as they bought land from rich Arabs and evicted the local peasant families who had been cultivating it for centuries. Zionist movement. In Palestine, the central home of Jews, only a few thousand Jews were living in 1900. Some 15 million were scattered around Europe and North America. This is referred to as the diaspora. In 1896, Theodor Herzl, a Venice journalist, published a pamphlet called The Jewish State, in which he called for creation of a Jewish national home. Next year, 1897, the World Zionist Organization was founded. The Israelis won control of the main road to Jerusalem and successfully repulsed repeated Arab attacks. As a result of separate armistice agreement 1947 February to June between Israel and each of the Arab states. A temporary frontier was fixed between Israel and its neighbors. In Israel, the war remembered as its war of independence. Next, Suez Canal crisis. In Egypt, in the year 1952, Colonel Nasser became its president. In the year 1956, he nationalized the Suez Canal, which undermined British interest. Arab-Israel War in the year 1967. Ever since the formation of Palestinian Liberation Organization, that is PLO, Israel came to be attacked frequently by Palestinian guerrilla groups based in Syria, Lebanon, and Jordan. Israel resorted to violent reprisals. Israel's offensive. Following the mobilization of Arab states by Nasser on June 5, Israel staged a sudden preemptive airstrike that destroyed more than 90% of Egypt's air force on the Fomak. A similar air assault incapacitated the Syrian Air Force. Within 3 days, the Israel had achieved an overwhelming victory on the ground, capturing the Gaza Strip and all the Sinai Peninsula up to the east bank of the Suez Canal. Arab-Israel War 1973. Egypt and Syria under Presidents Ansar Sadat and Hafez al-Assad respectively concluded a secret agreement in January 1973 to bring their armies under one command. Vietnam War. By the end of Second World War, Viet Minh controlled the northern half of Vietnam. Viet Minh formed a government led by Ho Chi Minh in Hanoi. This Viet Minh government quickly occupied the southern half of Vietnam towards European Union. There are 5 points in the European Union. First one, Council of Europe. Second one, ECSC, that is European Coal and Steel Community. Third one, European Economic Community, that is EEC. Fourth one, Single European Act. The fifth one, the last one is European Union. Council of Europe. One of the momentous decisions taken in the post-war II era was to integrate the states of Western Europe. In doing so, the Europeans wanted, first one, to prevent further European wars by ending the rivalry between France and Germany. Second, to create a united Europe to resist any threat from Soviet Russia. Third, to form a third force in the world to counterbalance the strength of the US and USSR. Fourth, to make full use of economic and military resources of Europe by organizing them on a continental scale. In May 1949, 10 countries met in London and signed to form a Council of Europe. The Council of Europe, with headquarters, was Strasbourg, or it's not Strasbourg, it's Strasbourg, was established with a committee of foreign ministers of member countries and a consultative assembly drawn with the parliaments of foreign countries. European Coal and Steel Community. The European Defence Community and the European Coal and Steel Community was established. 6 countries there are, such as France, West Germany, Italy, Belgium, Holland, and Luxembourg, belonging to ECSC, signed the Treaty of Rome, which established a European Economic Community or European Common Market with headquarters at Brussels. European Economic Community. The EEC eliminated barriers to the movement of goods, services, capital, and labor. Single European Act. The Single European Act came into force on July 1, 1987. It significantly expanded the EEC's scope, giving the meeting of the EPC a legal basis. It also called for more intensive coordination of foreign policy among member countries. European Union. The Maastricht, that is Netherlands Treaty, signed on February 7, 1992, created the European Union. The monetary policy and a common currency to replace national currencies managed by common monetary institution were subsequently planned and implemented. Today, the European Union has 28 member states and functions from its headquarters at Brussels, Belgium. Fall of Berlin Wall and end of the Cold War. The division of Germany into West, that is Federal Republic of Germany, and East German Democratic Republic, led to glaring differences in living standards. West Berlin's economy became prosperous thanks to the support received from the West under the Marshall Plan. In contrast, the USSR had little interest in developing the economy of East Berlin. Further, the people in East Berlin suffered from lack of democracy and freedom. Therefore, people of East Berlin moved to West Berlin in large numbers. East Germany belonged to contrast. East Germany began to construct a wall in 1961, which virtually cut off West Berlin from East Berlin and the surrounding East German areas. In the late 1980s, as USSR hold over Eastern Europe countries was weakening, a mass of people assembled on 9th November 1989 on both sides of wall and began to demolish it. Germany was officially reunited on 3rd October 1990. Thank you, children.